Hi everyone, this is Shortcut tutorial again. There's two videos that I had to re-edit. This is the second one. I made some mistake on the first one. Okay, so this was supposed to be audio, but I uploaded an audio for some reason. I didn't know. Okay, so how to zoom in? Just go to your filter, and click that plus and type size. Wait for it. Okay, now you can zoom in by using this key. You don't have to press this keyframes, but it gets animation effect. Okay, nope, I'm not going to do that. Okay, let's start at here. And okay, why is the position there? Okay, now we can start. And yeah, you can zoom in, then zoom out. That's literally it. Everything that I have told you is how you can zoom in and out. If you don't believe me, I'll show you again.
Do not hit me up.
Yeah, that's
only the real ones know why. Stop.
Okay, so that's how you made zoom in and zoom out. That's all. Thank you.